Hello everybody, it's Miss Webb here. I'm back at school and I thought this morning we could do another little handwriting session like you did last week, because some of your mummies and daddies emailed me and said that you really enjoyed doing this. So this week we're going to do some of those letters that are a bit trickier to form. Last week we were doing all the does and the as and the cuz, the ones that curl around. So we're going to do ones that are a little bit more random this week. So you need a book or a piece of paper with some lines on. I think we've got 4 letters to do. So you need 4 lines to do your practicing. Get a nice pen, a nice handwriting pen with a small nib, so that you can do your very, very best letter formation. Okay. The first letter we're going to do is y, like you're eating yogurt. Y. There aren't lots and lots of things that begin with y. This is a picture of a yak with very, very long horns. So remember when we were at school, we used to say the little ditty to go with this. So we'd go to the top, we'd go down a horn, up a horn, and under his face. So you do it with your finger and follow along with me. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his face. Now get your pen and you could just practice in the air. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his face. I'm going to do mine, so you can do yours while I'm doing mine as well. Try and get them all the same size so that they're sitting on the line like mine are. The bottom of the bottom of the horns are where they need to sit. Okay, so try and get them all the same size. Do that all the way to the end of your line, leaving a bit of a space in between each one. So say it again if you need. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his face. So you've got that nice flick underneath the line. Take your time, don't rush them. You want them nice and neat. And there we go. They're all mine. And you can see that they're all pretty much the same size. They're all sitting on the line perfectly like that. So yours should look just like that as well. Okay, next letter we're going to do is, I think this one's quite a tricky one. It's qu. So the digraph is the qu sound, but we're just doing the q letter formation practice today. And it's a picture of a queen. Okay, and when we write the qu sound, we go around her face, down past her earrings, and down her hair. Okay, I sometimes say around her face, down her long plait, and give it a flick, whichever one you can remember easier. So around her face, down past her earrings, and up their hair. Okay, so again we need this bit here sitting on the line, and this bit here goes below the line. So try and get them all the same size. Around her face, down, and the flick at the bottom needs to be quite straight. It's not a wibbly wobbly flick, it's quite straight like a tick. Take your time. This is